how to actually get the AI tax breaks. Okay, let's go to a deep dive. If you run a business and you use AI tools, the government might be about to pay you for it. Isn't that unbelievable? And I'm not talking about some vague future thing. This is happening right now. On March 20th, the White House released what they're calling the National AI Legislative Framework. It's a 7-point plan. And point number 4 is specifically about small business incentives about AI adoption. Now, let me break it down what it actually means because nobody else is doing this. Right now, there are over 1,500 AI related bills floating around in the state level. Isn't that freaking crazy? Every single state is trying to figure out this on their own, create their own rules. It's a total freaking mess. What the White House is trying to do is to cut through all of that with one federal framework. And part of that framework includes tax credits specifically for small businesses that adopt AI tools, such as One Man OS. The Small Business and Entrepreneurship Council, the SBE Council, they put out a public statement supporting this, and they're pushing for the credits to cover 3 things. Number 1, software subscriptions. So if you're paying for AI tools, like monthly tools, like a bunch of the ones that we all use, that could qualify. Number 2, implementation costs. So if you hire someone like me to set up your AI systems, or you buy hardware to run them, that could qualify also. And number 3, training. If you are paying to learn how to use AI for your business, that could qualify too. Wouldn't that be awesome? Now here's where it gets real. A lot of business owners don't realize that some of this is already available. Section 179 of the tax code lets you deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment and software in the year you buy it, okay? And bonus depreciation lets you write off even more. So if you bought a computer to run AI, if you're paying for automation software, if you're investing in any kind of business technology this year, you might already be sitting on deductions that you haven't claimed yet. Now you better check yourself, okay? The new framework would go further than that though, and this is awesome. It would create a dedicated AI adoption credit on top of what already exists. Man, that would be great because these AI freaking costs are going up like crazy. And think of it like an EV tax credit, but for AI. The government decided that they wanted people driving electric cars, so they made it cheaper to buy one. Now they're doing the same thing with AI. And of course, AI is the most powerful, most impactful thing that's humanity's ever seen, okay? They want small businesses using it, so they're gonna make it cheaper to adopt. And that's gonna be great for all of us. So what should you do right now before this even passes? Because it hasn't passed yet. One step: start tracking every single AI tool that you pay for. You can use Claude or whatever OpenCloud to do that. Every subscription, every one-time purchase, every receipt of hardware too. And if you bought a Mac Mini like I did to run automations, that counts. If you're paying for ChatGPT Plus, Claude on any AI platform, document it. Step number 2, talk to your accountant specifically about Section 179 and the bonus depreciation. I'm gonna get that word one of these days. And ask them what technology purchases you made this year that qualifies, okay? Most accountants aren't thinking about AI tools as a deductible tech investment yet, so you need to bring it up to them straight up, okay? Step number 3, watch for the actual bill. This framework is the White House telling Congress what to write. The bill hasn't dropped yet, but when it does, you want to be ready with your documentation already in place. And step 4, start building your AI system right freaking now. Don't wait for the tax credit to start using AI, okay? The businesses that are going to benefit the most from these credits are the ones that are already set up. They'll file their taxes, claim the credit, and get money back for tools they are already using and benefiting their business. Now, I built my entire AI system on a $600 Mac Mini, and it runs 4 businesses: email, triage, social media, ad monitoring, client scheduling, review, outreach, all automated. The total cost of the hardware plus the software is probably less than, what most businesses spend on one employee in 1 month. That's just amazing. And if you want to see what a system like that actually looks like, go to onemanos.com and chat with Nova, okay? She's my AI assistant, and she'll give you a free AI audit of your business and show you where you could be automating, and it costs you nothing. And when those tax credits hit, everything you set up now becomes money back in your pocket. If this was helpful, please subscribe. I'm going to do a deep dive on AI for small business every single week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Love you guys.